I made this pulse monitoring sensor using Arduino Micro. I have here my Arduino Micro, an Adafruit SSD1306 OLED display, the pulse monitoring sensor. I will plug in the OLED display respectively to pin 2, 3, 4 and 5. The pin 2 and 3 are I2C pins of Arduino Micro. Those are used to communicate with the I2C OLED SSD1306. And the pin 4 and 5 will be used as ground and VCC. After that, I soldered pin A0, A1 and A2 of Arduino Micro to the pulse sensor. I have written this Arduino code which will show the pulse rate in beat per minute once the device gets placed on a finger. I have connected the components following this diagram. See, when I place my finger underneath the sensor, it shows my current pulse rate on the display. Thank you for watching, guys. I need you to subscribe my channel for next videos I am posting in this week.